This is the second iteration of the OWLCON display system, or as I prefer to call it, owLCARS, for the purpose of this convention. And since the upcoming OWLCON is going to be Star Trek themed, here you see the volunteer screen done in kind of a pseudo owLCARS style. And so you've got the event type along with the number, date and time, and drop and add buttons, and then at the top you have listings for the event information along with the name and the number of seats that are left where necessary. And then here, just for the sake of demonstration, we've got my other screen showing the current version, still some work to do possibly, but the current version of what the public display screens will look like, again using last year's data. So for the sake of example, we have Saturday 10 a.m. at T32. So we can go into that session by again typing T and then 32. And then that's Saturday 10, and that information of course comes up here as well. And then from there it's very easy to add and drop buttons. If there are it's an illegal ad, then it'll refuse to add it, of course. But the information displays to the public immediately just the same. This is really just a whole lot of Chrome built on top of the system that we are already using for the last 3 years, so there's not too much new here. Well, okay, it looks a little bit prettier, but it's still running off the same spreadsheet mechanisms and the same formulas and tweaks. There's a whole lot of extra macros to control the way that Excel and PowerPoint interface with each other, along with, of course, the buttons themselves. But again, the same basic system as we have been using.